Okay, so what we're going to do, come here, download Oracle VirtualBox. Windows host for Windows. Keep. Click it and install it. After that, you're going to come here, download Kali for VirtualBox. If you click here on pre-made Kali images, it will take you here. You will download this. It's 2.7 gigs. It's going to take a minute. Once you get all that done, we're going to start up Oracle. You're going to unzip your Kali file, unzip to here, install this, blah blah blah. Go here, load up the VirtualBox. Start. That's just going to say that it's going to capture my mouse clicks and keyboard in this window, and I'll have to hit Control to get out of it. Sometimes you don't.